Let's forget the usual celebrity introduction for a moment, because Viola Kamil deserves to be discussed as television strategy, not just as another canyaman romance project. When the second season returned to Canale 5 in May 2024, the series had already performed strongly on Mediaset Infinity, where the first 3 episodes were made available in preview and passed 3 million viewing hours in 1 week. That detail matters because it shows something very specific. Canyaman's Italian career was not surviving only on noise, fan edits, or red carpet visibility. There was measurable platform interest before the linear broadcast even fully unfolded. The series itself is not a pure romance. It is a light crime drama with comedy elements, Palermo atmosphere, vertical police cases, and Francesca Cellini's Viola Vitale positioned as the emotional and investigative center. Canyaman's Francesco Dimmer works because he is not merely the handsome male lead. He is part of a format where charm has to function inside case of the week storytelling, emotional restraint, workplace rhythm, and procedural tension. This is where many fan debates become more useful than official promotion. Some viewers watch Viola for chemistry. Others watch it to see whether Yaman can adapt to Italian pacing, where scenes often breathe differently from Turkish dramas. Turkish dizzy storytelling usually gives emotion a long runway. Italian primetime fiction often compresses emotion into shorter beats. That means the actor cannot simply repeat the same intensity that worked in Erkinci Kus or Bay Yanlis. He has to recalibrate. And that recalibration is exactly what makes Viola Kamil more interesting than it first appears. It is not his most radical role, not his darkest role, and not necessarily his most physically demanding role. But it is one of the clearest tests of whether he can be useful inside another country's television grammar. A star can bring fans to a project. An actor has to make the scenes work after the audience has already clicked play. The strongest argument in favor of Yaman's Italian transition is not that everyone loves him. They do not. The stronger argument is that the industry kept using him, audiences kept watching, and the format did not collapse under the weight of his celebrity. In modern television, that is not a small achievement. It means he became not just an imported attraction, but a functional component of an Italian commercial series. So the real question after Viola Kamil 2 is not whether Canyaman has fans in Italy. That answer is obvious. The harder question is whether he can continue choosing roles where the format disciplines his image rather than simply decorating it.